Yeah, good morning all. I just quickly want to do a short preview, a short explanation on how to recharge your Binance account. You want to recharge your Binance account is very easy. So you will see after signing in, logging in, you have something like this. You will see this P2P here. You will see this P2P here. If you can't find the P2P, click this more. You will see the P2P. You will see it there, very sure. So if you can't find it here, then if you can't find P2P here, it should be here. Then you will see it here, or you will see it here. There is another one here too. So that is P2P. So once you see the P2P, the next thing to do is just tap on any of the P2P. Once you go to the P2P, it's going to bring up different people that want to sell what you want to buy. You just on the click, you understand. So now you are buying. So you have to know what you are doing first. You are buying, so we are buying, and we are buying USDT. If it is not USDT, it's another crypto entirely. You can easily click any of the crypto. It's going to bring it up. But most of the time, even if I need the other one, what I used to do is I always buy USDT, then to now do spot trading, and then get the other ones. So now after that, you filter depending on how much you want to buy. Let's say 10,000 naira. Once you type 10,000 naira, you confirm from the amount. Bring people that I want to sell 10,000 naira worth of USDT. Then now, okay, if you look at my account, we are seeing dollar, we are seeing dollar, we are seeing dollar. So now, of course, I'm supposed to change it to normal my naira. So let me quickly change my what do you call it now, my currency. Let me change it, but of course I'm very sure on your own side you are going to be seeing naira. So let me currency to naira. So currency is up here, this is up there. So I'll change it back to naira. Okay, good. So now you filter how much worth. Let's say 10,000 naira worth. 10,000 naira worth. Then which uh, which way do you want it? You want a bank transfer. 10,000 naira worth bank transfer. So these are the people that can sell 10,000, minimum 10,000 naira to you with bank transfer. So another thing you need to check, sorry, USDT, don't forget USDT. So most of the thing you need to check the completion, their percentage of this 99.5%. So this person is good. Then you need to check the number of trade. The number of trade there is 1,296. Then you look at this one too, 97%. Look at the number of trade. So you look at this one, 97%. You look at the number of trade. So those are the major things you check. So here you are doing this transaction. So then you click buy. So once you click buy, put it there. 10,000. Can you see? 10,000 is 13.41. So 13.41, that's 10,000. So then you click buy. You click buy. So you may want to check the terms and conditions of that person. No third party payment. Don't pay the cover. No crypto related words in transfer narration. Don't mark paid when you haven't paid. So trade information. Check the trade information. Of course, you don't need 15 minutes. So you click buy. So once you click buy, it will load and open the details of the person, the account number you are going to be paying to. Before you even click make payment, this is the details of the person, payment method, you understand, bank transfer. It has not actually shown the bank until 13.1. So if you click this one, You can go to chat to first chat the person to be sure that the person is there. This chat, click this chat. So once you click this chat, that chat will, you click it and to hide the person to be sure if the person is there. So just type hi. I'm not buying actually, but let's just see. Hi. Okay. Are you there? So you wait a minute to see if the person will reply. So actually this is the time we are having. Order will be cancelled. The order will be cancelled in this time. You understand? In this 13 minutes if you don't do anything. But if you look at it, it has been ticked. So that means this person is online. Can you see? Say I should go ahead and pay. So what you need to do is just to do that and back it and then you click make payment. I am not paying now, so you click make payment. So once you click make payment, you see the bank. Okay, let me click it. Let's see. So you see make payment. So this is the name of the person, this is the account number, this is the bank, your one microfinance bank. Of course, always there. Then you copy the bank account and you know the name of the bank. Of course, by the time you are confirming the name, it must display the name of this person. Then you may copy this thing to the narration. Don't put anything crypto in the narration. Don't write 10 USDT what or crypto USDT pre-crypto. No, you can just copy this reference number and put it there, or just say thank you, or you just put your name. You understand? So once you have done doing the transfer, then you come here, you screenshot it, then you click transfer. You now click transferred. That this one will now notify the person that you've transferred. You understand? You click transfer to notify the person that the transfer has been done. So you now wait. You hold on, the person will release, will confirm it, check his own app there and confirm and make sure that. So that time, by the time you now wait, by the time it has been released, then you will see it. So I just want to cancel it. So you will see. So after that, after the fund has been transferred, you will see it in your account. So where it, so you now click on, you check this wallet. You check this. So you tap it, wallet. Then you see in this funding. That's where you see it. You see it here in this funding. So you see it available. So this will be what you receive. You understand? And that is that. So for you, so then from here, if you want to withdraw to any other wallet, you want to do transfer or you want to do payment, it is withdraw. Is you click withdraw. So that once you click the withdraw, then you'll have copy. Then you make sure that what are you withdrawing? USDT TRC20. Send via network. Then after that, then you just see got it. Then you paste everything here. You paste the address there. Then you click TRC20 here. You confirm. You understand? TRC, make sure it's TRC20 network, but depending on what is there. Don't forget the minimum to transfer here is $10. So by the time you are transferring, you can't if you transfer $10, that means you are going to be receiving $9 there. You change it to $11, so they'll be able to receive exactly $10 where you are sending it. Then you now click withdraw. They ask you for your password, ask you for everything that is necessary, then to confirm the withdrawal. So it will now go to wherever you are sending it to. So I hope this helped you. I hope you'll be able to recharge with it. Don't forget, recharging carry risk, so you need to be very, very careful. Of course, crypto generally, cryptocurrency carry risk, anything money carry risk. So you need to be very, very close and watchful the way you are doing it. So please like and subscribe to this channel. Send your comments If you don't understand, you can easily put your comment on that down there, so I'll be able to reply and say and give you more information about it. So thank you very much, and stay blessed.